up for please no crowd. Me rise up bold, me talk out loud. Been to fire, me still stand proud. Queen with crown, me head no bow. Me no born for blending a shame. Purpose and grace in my name. Me carry light from the most high. Watch me soar, me not lie. I'm the rising sun, I was made to shine. Through the pain and dark, I still claim what's mine. No chains on me, the spirit free. Every scar is a story that crowned the queen in me. I'm the rising sun, higher every day. My downs in storms still find me way. They try hold me down, but me bounce back strong. My life a song, me at a song. Them say me too much, me say too bold. But my roots deep, my fruit them gold. Me now wait pan hand out, my hustle cold. Still soft like prayer when my fold. My light no come from trend or lights. My shine come from the midnight fight. The silent cries, the kneel down nights. Me rise because me know me right. I'm the rising sun, I was made to glow. Breathe deep grace, then let it show. Me not shrink to fit no more. Me true too big, it can't hold. I'm the rising sun, watch me rise. Eyes on God, me vision wide. My story deep, my joy run long. Me not beg space, me belong.